Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Do I have a smoker for y'all today? We've got a Copperhead 60 by 30, all loaded up, got a bunch of special stuff in it. Let's check her out. Now this is going all the way up north to New Jersey. Let's go ahead and get right to it, pop her open. So it's not just your everyday Copperhead smoker right here. We've actually got a built-in Santa Maria grill on the inside of this. Let me show you how that works. We actually do double doors on this unit, so we got a door on each side, and that gives better access to the grill and lets the grate go up higher. So you can raise and lower that grate. And we actually do still keep that a sliding grate there, so you can still slide it out. Slide it back in. We got a handle on each side, and of course you still got that top rack too, slides all the way out. You don't have to have that in there, but if you're smoking, get your top shelf in there, of course. Go to the hot box. Now, like I said, this is a Copperhead 60 by 30, so an extra large Copperhead, extra large hot box. You got 6 sliding trays in here. Still runs the same. It's got your removable plate in the bottom with daisy wheels, so it'll run at a different temperature than the main chamber if you'd like it to. You got a little stainless steel shelf on both sides of the hot box here. Come around to the firebox. Now this is our standard 1/4" plate firebox. And it's got your solid fire grate in there, as well as an ash clean out on the bottom. Now he did get D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners. Traditional flow. I know most of these y'all see are reverse flow. This is traditional flow. He's got it on our off-road package with some upgraded wheels and tires on that bad boy. But guys, that is our Copperhead 60 by 30 with the Santa Maria grill on the insides. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.